Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Awesome.
Hey, Michael.
How's it going, Charles?
Good, good. Let me see how do I share my screen.
Top left.
Oh, he left.
Yeah, you'll see it.
Oh. Uh.
Like
That's your.
when you hover, when you hover over the left, you'll see like a drop down. One is the chat. One is the screen share. One is like a bunch of stuff.
Ah, okay. Screen share. There's so many. Google Hangout. No. Let me see. Let me see if this will work. Can you see my screen, or is that the Hangout screen?
Yep, I can see you. That's you.
Is it your Hangout?
That is yours.
Okay, so that's my Hangout screen.
Oh no, that's mine. That's mine right now.
Right. So how do I let me unshare that?
So when you go and select your screen here,
Mhm.
I'm gonna stop sharing. Make it easier for you.
Yeah.
Now go share. Maybe it'll be easier for you to find it.
Okay. I probably shouldn't have that many open. Let me let me close most of them then. Okay, give me a second. So sorry for unfamiliar with this.
No, it's all right.
Okay. Let me see here. Screen one. I think this is the.
And Charles, did you already set up your environment on Cloud9 for this specific homework?
Yeah, actually, I'm done with it. I just need the uh, the pairing, but that's fine. We can all learn from doing this together. So it's okay. Uh,
Okay. Did you enter?
did
Did
you see
you
my
run into any
sharing?
difficulties?
Oh, I'm sorry. What?
Did you run into any difficulties when you were following the setup instructions?
I did initially, but then I all I needed to do was to run the RVM install 1.9.3. That was
Then
what that was what I was missing.
okay.
So it turned out that I just need to have the 1.9.3. That's actually mandatory. It wasn't clear in the instruction.
I see. I see.
Yeah. Somehow I'm not able to share this thing. How do I? Hmm, let me do that again. Share here. Share this. Oh, you able to see it now?
Well,
My screen.
yes, I can see yours
Oh,
now.
good. That's good. Okay. So how do we? Let me try to see if. Huh. Is anyone? There's another one. I just text Pat. That we are on.
Yeah. Oh, look, I think you joined. Pat, you there?
Hi, Pat.
Pat, can you hear us? It looks like your mic is muted, so I don't know if you're trying to talk to us. And now
Yeah.
fourth guy, Eldar.
Hello, hello.
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 Pat.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, can you
Hi,
hear
Pat.
me?
Now I can hear you.
Yeah, I can now. That's good.
It's good. I'm still in the
So,
process of setting up my Cloud9 environment.
okay.
It's taking a while to run that bundle install without production.
No problem.
Let's point in the browser.
Are you all set up, Pat?
You hear me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Pat, are you all set up for your project?
Patrick.
Is it homework with legacy code?
Legacy Homework 1, yeah. Depending on your version, Ruby may need to install.
What do you mean setup for a project?
Like, you have your environment set up. That's what I mean.
Okay.
Okay.
Environment.
Let's see.
So Pat, I guess the easy way to ask is where are you at in the process?
All right, let me see it because right now I think I have it set up actually already. So yeah.
Uh,
So I'm running the rake migration right now.
okay.
All right.
Hmm. Pat, when I click on your screen, oh, there we go. Wait, is that yours?
No, that's
No,
not mine actually. I don't know. I couldn't
there we
join
go.
my own thing, so I had to do it from my other computer. I'm trying to do that right now.
Okay. I'm setting up on Heroku.
Oh shit. Recaptcha. Where? Gracias.
So when you deploy, hmm, there we go.
Just hold the fuck now.
Okay. I think I am ready. Fixing a bug and typo.
Hmm.
This version of typo you have checked out contains a bug that prevents categories from being created or edited. To see this bug, make sure you are logged in as administrator and click on Categories link. The left side is the admin page.
Oh god. So I just screwed up my entire gem file.
Your entire what?
The gem file. Apparently I can't install a gem called reCAPTCHA. It's like the last one of the gem file on the
In
before
the
development.
on the setup page,
Uh-huh.
it doesn't make it clear enough, but you need to be using a specific version of Ruby Virtual Management or RVM.
Oh, RVM. Oh.
You need to have a specific version installed. So RVM 1.9.3. And if on the typo plus GitHub setup instructions, you need to be using that.
Oh, let me check it real quick.
It's number 1. Okay, the page you're looking for doesn't exist.
Yeah, that's the page that I just sent you.
All right, let me see. Okay.
And the command to run the setup for that is let me see. Right here.
It's just rvm install 1.9.3.
Right.
Oh yeah, I need to have RVM installed. Oh shit, that sucks. Go ahead, because I have RBAMP, but.
Okay, start by checking that all the existing Cucumber and RSpec tests run. So, RSpec. Does it take a long time for the RSpec test to run?
Yeah, I think it went through some setup that I don't really quite read that, but later on I just run the RSpec itself. That's easier to do, but
Wait, I don't understand this message.
I know there's a whole ton of it, and every time I run it, it takes a long time. Let me try to run it right now.
Could not find table text filters.
Table text filter.
Do you get that same error message?
No. Well, no, I don't think so. Did you? Who's that talking? Michael?
Yeah.
Okay.
So did I run rake db migrate? Yeah.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah.
I remember seeing that. Let me see.
I mean, and I should have that in my migration somewhere, right?
Right. Did you see my screen? I'm running that right now. Rake spec. Have I passed the point where you fail?
Did you write? I'm sorry. Did you run rake rspec and not just rspec, Charles?
No, I run a bundle exe rake spec. I'm running the command. I thought that's what you're running. Is that not what you're running? Let me check your screen. You're running rake. Rake migrate. Rake db migrate.
This is the rspec command. I just run rspec. That's what I've done before.
Yeah, you can just run rspec.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Oh shit, that's good.
Have you see if you look at the setup page that I type in the chat.
Yeah.
And then there's a section called Get In.
Oh, whoops. Yep. Thank you.
Sure, no problem.
Okay, guys, I've installed all gems and run rake db migrate.
Okay, that's good.
And now do you have it deployed to Heroku?
I don't think you need to do that yet. That's the like the last step when you try to deploy it to Heroku.
Well, I guess
It's just an instructions. So in the end, you need to deploy to Heroku and to submit it in a course.
Right. But what I was saying is that for the purpose of our pairing, we really don't need that yet.
Yes.
Right.
Excuse me, guys. You go ahead. I have to make a phone call real quick.
Sure, no problem.
So, did you do the pivotal tracker thing too? I guess the next step on this, the setup.
Say that again. What was it? Oh no, that one I didn't do it. It I'm not sure if we are using that yet for this particular homework. Pivotal tracker, right? I haven't set it up, but
Let's see. Project name.
oh,
Legacy. Homework 1.
so are you setting that up right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it says that well, we only need one person to set it up,
Yeah.
and I noticed that there's like a 30-day trial. So I guess we all should just share one at a time, just in case it runs out.
Oh my god. So how do I invite people? You can't see me. You can't see the screen.
Oh,
I
okay.
guess I probably could if I go like
Yeah,
this.
let me type. You probably have email address to invite. Here's my
Yeah,
email address.
got it.
Okay.
Oh, is this the problem you were talking about? Bundle exec RSpec. Oh, it's just setting them all up. I see. Deprecated.
Yeah.
Not validating feed. Why do I get all these feed validators in Python warnings? It's kind of weird. Did you get those same things?
Yeah, I did. When it's installing, right?
Yeah.
I don't know. That's what I was puzzling, but that shouldn't stop us from finishing the
Cool.
yeah. And I think we should be able to run RSpec.
Can you run RSpec? What happens when you do it?
Yeah, I'm doing that right now and see if I can do that. But I thought I did. I did all that running RSpec and Cucumber after my fix, before and after, and it looks to be fine. Yeah, I did. For some reason, RSpec is running for a long time, all the time like that. Did you
Kind of
see that?
annoying.
Yeah. Although eventually you would say, it would say that.
Man.
But Michael, are you're able to run your local server and get to the admin and click category and see the problem appear?
Yep. Yep.
Actually, I pushed it to Heroku and run it there. So
Yeah.
Yeah,
see?
I did the same thing.
Oh,
I pushed the broken one to Heroku.
Because there is a different gem in production group, so I think maybe there's a problem with production in the Cloud9 environment.
okay.
So maybe it's better to push to Heroku.
Yeah. Well, I heard it a few days ago that it was a problem if you haven't have your bug fixed, and it's harder to do it there. But anyway, I guess it's okay if you can see it. Okay, so it ran and complete, but it's really hard to read the result. Shoot,
Yeah, I know.
yeah,
There's no chance. Does
yeah,
it say like that there's a coverage report generated to RSpec to typo coverage?
yeah, right.
Today's typo. Where is that? I don't see it though.
Typo coverage.
Maybe I got the.
Yeah, I see it.
Oh, you see it. Yeah, I see it now too. Do you have a way to open that up in Cloud9? Because it always opens up like the HTML stupidly,
Oh,
and not like rendered as a page.
I'm trying to open it right now. Yeah, it's a HTML.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. I think you probably. I think from our past experience, it says that we need to download it to our local.
Yeah, that's what I would do before too.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to reproduce the bug. Uh,
Wow, there's a lot of setup work for this one, huh?
Yeah.
Jesus.
I know.
All right,
And
I have one. I have one copy running on my
Heroku.
Heroku and one running on Cloud9. So
Oh, good. Okay.
I guess I can finally start to try to code, do something.
Yeah, so basically that the problem is that it was a null. You know,
So
the parameter ID is just not provided.
couldn't find category without an ID.
Right. And
So
then it gives you the line number, for example, 70. Then you look into the code. That's where it failed. Right?
categories controller.
That's right. Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah.
is there no way to go to open this HTML page? Open in like, God, it's really annoying if I have to download it every time.
no, oh,
Yeah, the
the
coverage. So I want to click around and see what they actually have.
no,
You know,
right now it just has nothing for category.
it has nothing.
Right. I believe
It,
there is nothing because
it,
in your feature you don't have a category, right? And then in your spec there is no.
features. There's a create blog feature,
Yes, I'm sorry.
write article feature. There's set division support, and then in specs, there's like thousands. There's 1,000 R specs.
Yeah. Sorry about that. There's categories underscore controller underscore spec.rb in admin, right? In spec.
And
Spec,
spec,
yes,
category spec.
controller, admin, and then there's a categories. That's the one. You see in my
Yeah, I see it. Controllers, category controller spec. So can
yes.
you run that one individually? So let's say,
Yeah, sure, but
is this a different one than is spec different than R spec? Just wondering.
spec different from our spec. What do you mean?
Is it a different help? Is it a different module? Or is it the same module?
This is the same.
Same that we used last week. That's my question.
No, last week we were doing the Oracle of Bacon, right?
Yeah, but is this? Do we use R? Is this the same test helper?
Executable? Are you talking about spec executable?
Yeah. Is that the same as the R spec that we were using last week?
I believe so.
So
Uh,
then the command that I just typed in should generate just like what we had last week, right?
yeah, I think so. Is it not doing that for you?
Well, it keeps on giving me this deprecation warning. 6 examples, 0 failures, but it's not actually printing anything out.
Okay.
And look again, yet each just fucking generates this to the coverage report instead of printing it out. Really
Yeah,
frustrating.
yeah. I think there's a setup for spec that for it to show up. I think. Let me see if I can find it in the old ones. It's so confusing once you get into a few a few projects. You no longer know where everything is.
Yeah. Categories controller index.
Hmm. Open another terminal.
What?
No, I can't find it. I thought there is some spec setup file, config file or something, but I'm not sure where I saw that before.
I have a mistake when I run rspec.
I see.
Table structure, could not find table text filters. Active record statement invalid.
It could,
Yeah, I think I ran into that same problem, didn't I?
yeah, I think
Find
so.
the table. Which command did you just run for that one?
rspec.
Did you run bundle exec install cucumber bundle exec or
Cucumber. So
Yeah.
I need to install Cucumber
yeah, here.
differently. I thought when I run bundle, they already installed. Okay.
It looks like there's that step number 2 is get the typo test suite and make sure all specs are past screen. Heading specs are fine. Run the following commands: bundle exec rake cucumber, bundle exec rake rake spec.
I just paste those two commands.
Yeah,
You-
it's both right now. Yeah, there we go. I think that's what did it for me. The second one takes a while. Jesus. So Charles, you said you already had this one done. You had this whole homework done.
Yeah, I did. I'm done with it. I did that over the weekend because the setup looks so confusing and I'm kind of worried, so I went through it over the weekend and do it step by step, and I was able to get the solution, and then I continue to do right. I kind of do it backward, not what they taught us.
Because what they say in class is the first to write the tests, and well, they say to understand the code base, and then but now which that seems like outrageous to me. There's 30,000 lines of code.
I know.
So.
That's why I started early. I thought, well, it might be really complicated,
but then
it wasn't.
once you actually find the solution, it's not that hard. But
That's right. Yeah. Because if you look at the error, it's really clear, right? Because it's just missing that ID, and all you need is just check to see if it's there. If it's not there, then you do something else.
Oh, that's
right.
entire.
So the problem is in the controller.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, categories, but the one that's in the admin, you have to go to the admin controllers, and then down to newer edit, and probably this category find by params ID. Find category without an ID, newer edit. Every 9, every 8. Yeah, it's right here in this newer edit. It's got to be.
Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah.
That's the one it's trying to call whenever you go to categories and it gives you that freaking error.
Yeah.
So then the question is, what do you think it's supposed to do if we don't have a category?
Well, we just create a new category. The category model.
Yeah. Okay.
So basically, you create that and use that instead of finding it, because there's no way you can find it if it's not created, right?
Yeah.
So basically, you just do a new, and then that's all that you need, and then.
So literally, we need to say like.
Instead of going here, go to new if you don't have any categories.
Yeah. Well, that's why this is. If you don't do this, then render new, else continue.
More or less, yeah.
Yeah.
If this is nil, then just go somewhere else.
You check to see if that value is nil. if it's new. Actually, that's kind of tricky. Initially I did that, and it took me hours to find out why is it not new. I still don't quite understand, but
Well, let's take a look at the model.
but
Model category.
I mean, it's. Oh shoot! What the hell's this? Oh no.
I don't see it an initialize.
what are you looking at right now?
What do you want to do if you want to create a new category? You call a new on the category model, right?
Right.
But
It's just a category new.
Guys, before we continue, real quick, who's hosting this call?
I am.
Oh, it's you. Oh, cool. Yeah, thought it was me, and I couldn't find the the stop this thing from going on button. But yeah. Cool.
Okay,
And
I
that
run
is
all specs and they all pass.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how mine comes back to. It just takes forever.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
So
I mean, the Cucumber one were quite quick, but this,
the spec takes forever.
yeah, they all passing. Oh, that's good. Okay.
Yeah, because there's like 1,000 some examples.
Wow.
So guys, we should write cucumber BDD TDD test first.
We are supposed to, I guess, a feature, right? Need to write a feature.
I think that sounds good.
Yeah, sure. Let's go ahead and do that. I mean, I'm gonna leave this call from this computer and see if I can join from the other one so I can share the screen with you guys. So
Okay.
yeah, I'm gonna hang up now. See if I can join from the other side.
All right.
Okay.
So features. Create blog feature as an author. As a blog administrator. Oh,
Right.
this is
Right. That's actually create block is actually what I use and I rename it to well, not rename, but I make a copy of it and then
yeah.
write it for category.
Yeah. So what should we call this feature?
Well, yeah. What I say is
I'm on the
create.
admin page, and now
It could be
So-
anything.
what do you think this article's? I guess I should probably poke around, huh? Manage articles. What do I go to comments?
Which one?
Feedback. I'm just trying to take a look around at this. There are no tags yet. Why don't you start and create one? Oh, that sounds like a good way to handle this.
Create block, right?
Well, I'm on my blog, I guess, and I'm just trying to click around
Right.
and
Cool.
when I click on categories, this category is new. Couldn't find category without an ID. So when I click on, it's hard for me to understand what is the intended behavior of that categories. Do you think it's like what's supposed to happen when you click on tags?
That basically is that if you go on the categories page, right, which is the one that we click,
Yep.
if we go on there, we should just be able to see it display. I think one of the page that it shows the actual page there, right?
No, I'm not sure right now what you're saying.
Give me a second. Let me type in that link. Here's a link that it actually show what you should be seeing if you fix a bug, right? So basically, it says categories, and then it has name and it has keywords. It would allow you to enter everything else and then do a save, right?
Okay.
Yeah, that's the page that you
Okay.
should be seeing. So you will have a scenario like, given that I'm on that page, I should be able to see this, and I did a
Yeah.
really simple one. I should be able to just see categories. And if it goes to the error like what we have right now, then it would fail.
So this should be a create category feature or something, or edit category.
That's what I have. Yeah. And then it basically has a story. As an administrator, then this is what you want to do.
Yeah. Category dot feature.
So
And I'm gonna go from the right article feature as a blog administrator. In order to organize, yeah, this looks a good one. I'll copy this one.
Yeah. Both of them are good to be used as a base.
Yeah.
I actually use a create blog, but that right article is just fine.
Yeah,
Yeah,
create blog is the one that I'm using as well.
Well, I feel like create blog, you just need to be an author. You don't need to be logged in as an administrator.
Exactly, you need to be logged in as an admin.
So if the right article feature says as a blog administrator, given the blog is set up and I logged into the admin.
Yeah, you're right. In that case, I think I did use a combination of the two, because I have exactly the same thing that I'm logged into the admin panel.
So it's blog administrator.
Yeah, no, you're right. You're right.
So this feature should be like
That should have back.
So like organize by category or create category. In order to
create category is the one that I have. So.
Given that I am on the, what do you think, the admin page?
I think it's called admin content page.
Admin panel, right.
Admin panel or admin content page?
I don't know. That's already in the background, so don't need to.
Oh, that's going to be in the background? I guess admin panel. I am logged into the admin panel according to the one that you are referencing.
That should be the right page then, right?
Yeah, that should be the. I don't know, cause down here it says on the successfully write article, the scenario, there's after the and I press publish, it says that I should be on the admin content page. So I have no idea if it's the same thing, the admin panel or the admin content page.
Well.
So where do we go to take a look at those? And are those in the web steps or are those?
Which ones?
Pass.rb.
Well, there should be a pass. Well. In my case, I say that I am on the new. I'm looking at the wrong. I'm on the categories page, and that one I need to define it in path.
Yeah.
Yeah, remember in path.rb that you. Yeah, we need to define those. It's gonna tell
the admin panel page. I want to see what they mean by that.
Yeah.
Let me see if I can run this.
I don't know. It's in it's
So
in
just is there just an admin page? It's just the admin page, right?
admin panel. Let me see. It's in web steps. That's line 46 in web step. And it goes to account login, user login, password. Yeah, it's just adding that.
Okay.
Web steps 946. I'm logged into the admin panel. Okay.
Yeah, so you basically log in as a admin.
So we should also change our password right there. Huh?
Well, no, I think this is
You think the test it
no.
knows?
I didn't need to change that because it's a test database, right?
Okay.
Yeah, I think somewhere I saw the code somewhere that it actually create. Oh, on top, about line 39, it create a new admin and password.
Ah, I see.
Yeah, so you don't need to change that.
Yeah. All right.
So let's see.
So
Hey, do you know how to
then
run a specific feature instead of reg features?
what's that?
And to run a specific feature instead of running them all, just how to run just one of them, the one that we were testing.
Yeah, I can't remember actually for the cucumber.
Yeah,
I can
I
look that up
actually
real quick.
I was looking it up. I think I found it the other day, but right now I'm not using. It's kind of a complicated command.
Yeah.
What is it? Is it like cuc feature?
No, it's something like I think it had a word in all capitals or something like that. The one that I found. So let me see if I can find it. What was another
If
feature?
you type cucumber and dash help on your console, it shows you there's an example here. I don't know whether how that fit our model, but that's the command I saw. I
Let me
just
see.
I
Cucumber
just
examples. Oh well. I guess
the cucumber.
exclude profile diagram. Wow, that's a long read. Let's just try this. Oh, that didn't work. Oh well, maybe it does.
It's just one cucumber feature.
Features and the name of the feature.
Yeah, the
Yeah,
name of
that's the one. Yeah.
Did that work?
Yeah,
yeah.
that actually worked. I actually have to put bundle exec before all that for some reason because I messed up my entire the bundler gem, my bundler gem or something, but you shouldn't have that issue. Just cucumber space features slash and just you know the feature you want to run.
I just type it in the chat.
Oh yeah, let me type the command. Oh, you already did?
Yeah, I did that. Yeah, I typed
Alright,
it
cool.
in.
Q9.
I'm just trying to write a scenario where I just I'm on an admin page, and then I follow categories link,
Uh-huh.
and then I should see categories header.
Page. Oh, the
Header,
header.
yes.
Yeah, the header. Definitely.
So
I'm trying to follow the link, but on the admin content page, it says that there's no link category.
yes,
That's what you're getting?
yes, we should add it on a web steps in the web steps file, I think.
Yeah, let me see if I.
What if you do click on categories?
Well,
Because if I do click on categories, I think that's for buttons only, right?
Yeah, but there's a link.
no,
Yeah.
if
And
you look at path, path dot rb, there's the new article page, and what I did is I did it similarly, and say the categories page, and then it would point it to the admin.
Mm,
It would point it to let me type it down. It's something similar to that, right? So when you're on that page, then it will actually goes to that link, and I define it in path.rb.
Path RB.
Yeah, if you open path.rb, then you can see
Uh-huh.
on line 18.
18. All right.
So that basically opened the new article, right?
The new article page, right? Yeah.
Right. So you can do similarly with
Oh,
yes,
it's for admin. Yeah. When
yeah,
you
for categories.
for categories. Yeah.
Right. And that's what I did. I don't know if there is a better way. There might be, but this is how I use it.
No, no, it's. I think that's how you should do it. I mean,
Yeah,
it works.
right. It works. That's yeah.
uh, so you defined path to function method.
Hmm?
Or it was already there?
I don't think it's already there because without that, well, first of all, without that, it fails on me. So I guess we can probably in that else that you were looking at, that else that line probably 28 or something in pass.rb, if you didn't change the code, that part of the code it probably you can
Paths
probably change it so that it
RB.
will work for admin as well, but with its current state it doesn't work. You see what I'm saying?
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. Sorry. Sorry for the phone call.
Oh, please go ahead, man.
so I just said when I follow categories, and that worked.
I follow categories
Yeah.
from the
Oh,
admin page.
And Yeah.
So
And then I get the error message back that I couldn't find a category ID.
You couldn't find the category ID, so yeah, so well, that's
So that's working.
as far as I got last time.
Okay. So that's a good step for starting with this. And I'm gonna say note. You know. Cool. So yeah, what happens when you just take out this freaking that line?
what line?
Rams ID.
I'm sorry. What line?
Line 28
On
of categories controller. I just counted it out.
You just can't. You just remove that ID and it works.
No, I'm saying I said what would happen.
What could happen?
Don't know. Fine. I think fine. You have to provide. You have to provide. Well, because if you don't provide it, it's basically nil, right?
Yeah, it's just
Yeah.
it's no.
So it should just fail the same way.
Yeah. Well, I mean, what is the first method? What is that doing? To find everything, and then is this second call like? Oh, okay. Never mind. I understand now.
Yeah, because this is for edit as well, right? So in some cases you will be able, you will provide an ID for it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's when you use a find to actually find the current one, the existing ones. So
But why it takes params ID in the new?
well, if you look at the name of the function, it's actually new or
Edit.
yeah.
Okay.
So it's actually, it just took care of one condition but not the other. So it took care of the case where we are expecting an ID, but it didn't take care of the case where we actually need to create a new ID.
Okay, so we need to check if params ID is nil. Two cases where params ID is nil and not nil. Yes.
Yep. Or just yeah. If it's not nil, then it was no.
Yeah, but I was having trouble with that for a few hours, and I still don't know why it didn't work. That might not work if you check if it's
Are you
nil.
looking at me?
Alder, I think. Wait,
Yes.
did you just type if it's nil?
If params ID nil.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think that might not work, but let's try it.
If it's nil, when I just
If categories is well, let's see.
Yeah.
Right, and then else, then you do the find, right? Yeah.
yes.
I think I tried that, but for some reason it didn't work for me. Yeah, but let's go ahead and try that.
Okay. I run the tests.
I mean, find will raise an exception if it doesn't find it, right? But
No.
find by will return nil.
Oh, guys, it worked for me.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's good. Cool. And if you click on the your web page, does it work?
First, I need to push it.
No, locally. You have it on running on locally. Are you not?
Not. I need to run it.
Right. Oh, okay. -p
Dash P.
and then $sign. What was that?
IP.
I no. Let me
Port.
see.
Port.
Yeah. $sign port, capital port.
It's all hanged.
Let me type it.
What are you guys trying to do?
It's trying to run locally on the.
Trying to check.
Oh, no problem.
It.
He's trying to run it locally on his
Local server.
Oh,
Run server.
why don't you do Rails S? It will run on port 3000, so you can skip the entire thing.
Really?
Yeah, just Rails S.
Okay.
If I'm not mistaken, yeah, you can go ahead and try. It will run on localhost 3000.
Oh, it works for me too.
Oh, okay. For some reason, it didn't work for me. Yeah.
Were you overwriting categories instead of category? That could be an easy typo to make.
You talking to me?
Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of like easy ways to make typos in Ruby. You don't expect.
I don't know if I did that.
Yeah. Well, now what does Cucumber say? So we also need RSpec unit tests that will fail when the bug is present. So
Right.
Yes, it worked for me. I'm on a categories page.
Oh, good. Okay.
yeah, it worked for me too.
Yeah, for some reason it didn't work for me. That's weird. Okay.
All right. So I would like to create one more Cucumber that is like actually creating a new category. Like let's see if I go through this.
Yeah. I didn't do that. I was lazy. Yeah. Okay.
So now we need to check if we can create a category. Yes.
I think that'd be a smart thing to do, and
Yeah.
it did work for me. And I think we should write a Cucumber feature. Like that should be the ending of our first feature.
So we fill all of the forms and press
Press save.
save.
There should be, you should see category was successfully saved because that's what I get.
Right.
Okay. I just want to commit.
Oh yeah, it's smart. So when you do the fill in, how does it target?
I haven't done that yet. Let me see.
Select the element. It's probably ID. Yeah. Okay.
Content. Let me try to.
So guys, one question. Now this scenario is passing the one of creating a category, but it's passing because we don't have any categories right now, right?
Cause,
So,
No, it should be passing either way. I actually don't know what that ID field. Oh, it's probably for.
it's for the existing IDs,
Yeah.
existing category IDs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
still,
But
still,
it's kind of weird to have uh, for that to be the case. Because because if you edit it, like I don't see how you could. It seems like it's silly to work that way. Is what I'm saying. Because there's an edit one that actually has an ID.
Right.
So, like, really, you should have a new page and edit page, but that would be like actually refactoring the code. Do you understand what I'm saying?
No, I do, but there's a lot of code being shared, right?
Yeah, well, that's what's making it.
Yeah, and the only thing that's different is whether you have an ID provided or you don't. So I think I don't know. I mean, you could refactor it. That's for sure. Yeah, but
Yeah, I guess you're right.
yeah.
Okay. And yeah, my code works if I try clicking on a specific category, it still works. So
does.
yeah.
Cool. I'm trying to use the Google thing to figure out what we need to do with the
So what I'm gonna say is, and I fill in category title, I think. Category name.
I'm trying to see where that is.
So that I think Cucumber searches the form fields by ID, and the ID for the first one is category underscore name. The ID for the second one is category keywords, all undercase.
Did you check the form?
Yeah,
Okay, cool then.
and then boop, then category permalink. Category description.
Oh,
Yeah, category name, category keywords.
Is it save or submit? Save. Or is it press save?
I'll tell you real quick. It's safe. It's safe actually.
So undefined press. Yeah, press. I
To
mean,
click, right?
press. I would need to define the click method. I haven't defined it yet.
Oh,
Everything looks good. So I think that's probably good enough for this feature for now, unless you want to do edit it.
Yeah.
Do you want to do an edit one as well?
Oh, I'm actually trying to do the edit right now. I thought you
Oh,
edit.
I wasn't editing one. I was creating a new category.
Okay, okay. So this is what's creating. Okay, no, I didn't. Actually, all I did was I test to see if I can load that page.
Oh,
So,
okay.
like
Yeah.
I said, I was lazy. So I only do the minimum.
Yeah. Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah. Yeah, and you can, for practice, we can do it later on our own time. I don't know. Yeah. Or we can do it together if you like.
I mean, I don't mind either way.
Yeah.
Republicus. Um,
see.
so here's my feature. If you look in the gist. So now the question, we have one cucumber test done, so that satisfies that requirement. Now we need the unit test. So then we got to go to what? Spec, admin.
Get a bit of spec.
Yeah.
Describe categories controller. Okay, describe normally.
The one that I follow, that I use a space was the tax controller spec, the RB.
The cache controller spec.
Tax. Let me type it. Right here. It's the edit
Oh
action.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Tags.
And if you open that one, it actually has an ID. All I did was I removed that ID.
Do you just copy this functionality?
Yeah, basically just that would be enough. And so that if I just go to let me see. I should be able to just render new uh, page, right?
Before.
What's the next thing that we have to do?
We're trying to write the spec for
The unit test.
page. Yeah, the unit test.
Let's see.
So, did you just add one at the top or at the bottom?
It doesn't matter. Mine is close to line 20 there.
Line 20.
Line 20. Line 20 in my categories dash controller dash spec RB.
So we need to write describe, test, create. Yes.
Describe. It could be anything, but what I did was describe new action without.
That
Oh,
I.
not new action. It's new categories without ID.
Mhm.
So that basically just remove the added action that I put in the group chat. Pretty much just copy that without the ID, and that actually just worked for me.
Okay. Uh, so you prevent the bug that was new category without ID.
Right. Right. Remember that the problem that we had, it was just basically when we do a new category, right?
Yes.
Yeah, and I put without ID there. That's just just so that I know what I was doing. But anyway, so basically we just call new without an ID at all, right?
Okay. Okay. Uh,
Yeah.
can you copy it somewhere? So
Yeah, I put it into the. You're saying, wait.
mm,
Okay, well,
Well, we're not describing the edit action. What we did was we edited the new action. And
we're creating a
but
new.
we should check the routes.
yeah.
Where um, does it map? Oh, no. It's about a controller. Yes. So we admin categories controller.
Right.
So you need to before each write get new or edit. There. Or I'm
Well, if you look at line 35 in my code, there is a test added already, right? That one is actually testing the edit. And what we really need is just test new. So
but we have action
action.
controllers, admin categories controller. We have a new or edit action.
Yeah, but the newer edit isn't the actual action. That's just a helper method. The actual action that we had the bug was new. The
Yeah.
edit action already worked.
Okay. Oh, I see. It's a new action, but if we have a HTML, it calls new or edit. Okay, I see now.
Yeah,
Thank you.
sure. Oh, actually,
So now. So I'm not seeing.
Is there any? Can I run particular spec?
Failed all 8 examples. What did I do wrong?
What happened?
I don't know. It just failed, and it doesn't give a freaking reason. It puts it in this coverage report. That's really annoying. So describe new category without ID. Do get new.
Let's see.
Yeah, I don't understand.
Really? No. Let me run it again. What's that? Spec R spec.
Two failures.
Oh, wait. Huh. It fell on me too. Well, shoot. I changed my place.
Failed.
What do I have? Before each factory blog, okay. Test index. Describe new category without ID. Should be test index.
I have no failures. It's a strange.
Did you say 8 failures, 9 pending? Is that what yours says?
Let me look at that. I have 8 examples, 8 failure. What? But it was working earlier. Jeez. Give me a second. I don't know if I messed up something. New category without ID. But somehow it's saying
It's saying validation failed. Validation failed. There can only be one.
There can only be one there.
yeah,
Oh shit.
there can only be one what?
Let's see.
Line 7. Factory block. Line 7.
8 out of 8 are failed. Factory continue.
Are we trying to say there's more than one admin?
Uh,
I don't know what that means. Line 7 is factory block, right?
Yeah.
But did you see line 8? It says delete after removing fixtures. What's that
Yeah,
mean?
but I don't know. If you're not going to use fixtures, then you got to remove that line 7. I don't understand why.
So if we just remove that line, it's supposed to work. But well, how do you need to do that? Let me see if it will help. Huh, I comment out line 7 and it works.
The factory one?
Yeah, I don't understand why. But I didn't need to do that.
I wonder if it somehow already has a blog in there.
But I didn't have comments there, so it already was uncommented. 7
And
line.
line 7, you didn't need to uncomment it, but when you run it the first time, it works. Is that what you...
I didn't do anything with it. It was already uncommented, and my test are pass.
Can you run it a second time? Maybe
Yes,
that's...
I look.
He just
Okay.
wanted to fail.
Maybe it only works the first time? But why would they do that? Factory block. What does that mean?
Probably we already have a category, so
Yeah, but I thought they set it up such that every test they will reinitialize the database, so there shouldn't be any category, right?
Yeah, I agree. I don't
yeah,
know,
definitely. Well, yeah.
So
The
I
test against.
so I don't know why that it would fail.
Could we have undone the factory somewhere? Yeah, when I undo the factory, that fails. It doesn't fail.
Yeah,
That's really weird.
yeah. I don't know why.
So
I don't know why you had a comment there. Because I didn't change anything. It was already uncommented, this
yours
line.
was already uncommented, and somehow ours was. That's really weird.
Yeah, you
Wait, Alder, are you saying that yours was uncommented? Yours was
Yeah,
just
Yes.
like how I see it on the screen. Yeah, that's the way that it makes us fail. For us, when we comment out that factory line, that's when we pass. That's really unique.
that's weird.
So if you comment this line, you pass.
Yep.
But I didn't do nothing with it, and I pass.
I
It's
know.
very strange.
Could you copy your RSpec file into a GIS so that I can better see it?
Yes, sure.
let's see.
I just added describe new category without ID block.
Yeah, same thing that
I
we had. Yes.
I didn't change anything.
No, I don't have that test that you have there.
Huh.
Well, see.
Well,
Hmm.
Oh, oh,
Guys, I gotta take this call real quick.
Okay.
describe. Do we need to have? Let's see. Give me a second. It doesn't look like it was run in my my new category without ID.
Okay.
Oh, I haven't got some yet. I think,
Mm-hmm. Well, oh, what am I missing points on?
huh?
I tried submitting and I got 91%. I don't know.
Huh.
Your submission was recorded. Submission is on time.
Well, I got 100 earlier, but now it
Mine
is.
says it should respond to a simple request. It's not responding to a simple request. Hmm.
You submitted it with the factory commented?
I wonder. I think I got. I know I did wrong. Yeah. So whatever that's messing that up, I tried just copying and pasting your RSpec, and didn't have a difference. It still has the same error on mine.
That is something is weird.
Yeah, something's definitely weird.
I try. I want to submit it. And
Did it
see.
work? Oh, you need to do it. What is that? You need to push it to Git.
Yeah, I did.
You did. And push it to Hiraku too, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yes.
And saying the only points that I passed. Did you guys miss some points too?
No, I didn't. I got 100% on that.
Maybe it's still updating or something. I don't know. It's really weird.
But maybe I shouldn't try it again.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Maybe not.
yeah.
I mean, I'm only missing 10 points. I'm not. It's weird though, because it's saying it's not responding to a simple request. Everything that we actually worked on today, it said is fine.
Huh.
So
Typo should respond to a simple request. Yeah, I got that. Wait. Wait.
it doesn't make any sense, right? Because the categories page, it all worked. Typo should respond to a simple request.
But this is weird. It says I got 0 points
For
Zero-
what?
on typo.
For everything?
No. Let me just type it. Let me just paste it. Give me a second. You see that typo should respond to that, and then I get 0 point.
Yes, I got 0 points for that too.
Oh. Well, but still, I got 5 out of 5.
Yeah, but that's not the full points. There's 5 points for. Oh yeah, I don't know. Because when you go to the progress page,
Yeah.
it says 91 out of 100. That's what it says for me. 5 examples, 0 failures.
Oh, 90 point out of 100. That's because this one the pairing is 10 point.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Never mind.
Yeah.
Well then,
Right. So if you look at it, yours should
Yeah.
say 100 points out of 100, right?
yeah, it is. And for you guys, this is the pairing link.
Yeah. Okay.
About
Oh.
the pairing.
Where do you have it?
Yeah,
Where's it
I'm,
there you go. Do you put it on chat?
yeah, I should have.
Oh yeah, there it is. There.
Okay. Great.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. Anything else?
No, that should be good.
I guess that should be all.
Okay. Great. Thanks.
All right, guys. See you. Bye
See
bye.
you. Bye.
Goodbye.
I guess that should be all.
Okay. Great. Thanks.
Nope. All right, guys. Talk to you next week.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Is anybody here?
I'm still here.
How many points have you got?
Oh, I'm still like getting the Heroku login thing and all
Okay.
that. Yeah, but they say that you get 90, and when you put the how do you call it? The pairing session, you get the other 10. So
Okay, but I got 100 points.
oh, you got 100?
Yeah.
Oh well, that's even better then. I think that maybe because I don't know. Probably you did something different on the testing part that
If you want, I can.
I actually
your-
I actually saw your spec file and it's exactly the same as mine. I don't know what, but there must be something different around it.
I mean, Heroku URL and.
Oh no, I have mine already now. I'm just like trying to.
Okay.
Thanks, man.
Goodbye. Thank you
Goodbye, then.
for
See you.
collaboration.
Thank you.